Do you want to make money with your YouTube channel? Well, today we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. This is how I personally started making money with my YouTube channel when I first started my channel. I'm really excited to share this with you, so don't miss a single second of this video. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. My name is Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to make an income online. So when most people get the bright idea to start a YouTube channel, they only know one way to make money with their channel. They think, make a video, lots of people are gonna watch it, and I get ad revenue. Now, this is definitely one way to make money on YouTube, but in my opinion, far from the best. I like to think of ad revenue like a tip jar. The way I started making money with my YouTube channel was with affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? It's when a business pays a commission to a marketer, you, when they refer a sale to their product or service. It's like what big marketing agencies do, but now you and I could do it too. To get started with affiliate marketing with YouTube, you really only need one thing, a computer or a cell phone. All you need to do is talk about different products and share your genuine opinion about them. You could do this with tutorials, reviews, unboxing videos, versus videos, the list goes on. And not every affiliate marketer does this, but my personal code is that I would never recommend something unless I actually recommend it. The key is just sharing your honest opinion, and the people that the product is actually right for may buy it through you. What I do with my affiliate marketing videos, I put an affiliate link in the description, and we're gonna get into how you get these links in just a moment. I put my link in the description as well as in a pinned comment. Also be sure to put a disclaimer somewhere in your description letting them know that the description contains affiliate links. If you want an example of this, check out how I have it set up in the description of this video. So where do you find affiliate products to promote? You could find physical products on sites like Share a Sale, ClickBank, even Amazon. Amazon is a little hard to get approved for, so if you don't get approved the first time, don't get discouraged, just wait a month or so and try again. And Amazon doesn't necessarily actually say their criteria for approving you to be part of their program, but I've heard a lot of people say it's around 500 subscribers, so if you don't have that yet and you're not getting approved, do not get discouraged. But if there's a product or brand you like, see if they have an affiliate program. If I can't find it, I usually just type the name of the product or the brand into Google, followed by the word affiliate, and it usually is the first result. And just a note, it doesn't have to be a big brand. You might do better with smaller, less competitive brands anyways. You don't need a bunch of products. Just pick a few you believe in and focus on those. If it fits in your personal brand, talk about the products that you use in your videos. If you're getting value out of this video, make sure that you smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. So for a quick example of how this could work, let's go over an example of a review. I'd either buy the product or see if they have a review copy so I could test it. Be sure to spend some time learning the product, actually find out what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and actually get a real opinion. Also, a lot of these products have sales funnels with upsells and downsells. You could tell people which ones you feel that they should and shouldn't buy, and then tell them why. The same idea could be applied to physical products too, but you may have to buy it, or maybe you already own it. Personally, I feel like the best affiliate videos are the ones where you are just sharing your opinion and just trying to be helpful. Just focus on sharing rather than selling. And again, don't be afraid to make multiple videos about the same product or brand. You will begin to be seen as authority on the topic, and YouTube and your audience will notice. And one of the most important things that so many people forget is the verbal call to action to click on the affiliate link and then tell them where to find that link. Something as simple as, if you want to give so-and-so a try, the link is in the description. And as a bonus tip, you can always refer to a list of products that you regularly recommend listed in your description. For example, on this video, there's a list of products I regularly use and promote, and you can find them in the description of this video. What other ways have you monetized your YouTube channel? Let us know in the comments. I try to go through all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you want to learn more about how to grow on YouTube, check out this video next. If you got value out of this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.